Why you never say I want to be like Shaggy? Every interview him go on in the entire life. All I know me no done talk.
Right there, so, bro.
Me no what you mean? You can't. What you mean? Let me finish what I say. You said the man no counter or whoever. Me don't know which one I want. Say the man no counter nothing. Right there, so the show said the man counter everything where Masicka using a theme song. If Masicka talk about him, I get fight and man I call him down. The man I show him say dog you don't know nothing about fight. What fight you talk about? All now Masicka don't tell we nothing. You talk about the man expose Gaza system where them been a do. Everybody know about that already. Nothing we mention is not new information. This been around from before Cartel got prison. So Masicka didn't come and give people no new information. If you tell we how the system and fight him,
start talk about Cartel.
He just want the people to talk about Cartel. What did the system do to you? You tell me about Lisa hype on these people from 15 years ago. What did the system do to you? You not tell me none of that.
Alright, hold on.
Stop that fuckery, brother. I want to that.
Alright, Mr. Gaza, hold on. Fully, go to me, your turn. And then KJ go after.
Alright. Respect to every man, Fanny. Bless up everybody. Bless up everybody. Right now I speak to Justice Spike for sure. Say, yo, some person just look for the thing and I look for it one way. What do you come and explain?
Walk on this one, jump off. Alright, KJ, go to me.
My time?
Yeah.
You start on this, okay? You not come for chat for this again.
Yeah. Go to me, go to.
I can start with a music line?
Yeah.
Pick up everything and you wanna the damn youth. Pussy you a move like Cartel girl.
Yeah.
All right, come on.
Pre this.
Hold on fully. Make him go to because you jump off your signal the beat. Go to KJ.
Game changer, pre this, right? If you and somebody in a war and somebody said to you, say, yo, you move like say a kid roll for your father. I mean this you better say as a metaphor. Are you in this or a kid roll for this? The point of me I try to say, a man now this Cartel indirectly, he might tell Tamili, say, yo, everything when me at this or say, you pick up like say you are Cartel rag or girl. Because how you take it up on your head if I know you me at this. So also man I say, yo, him not this Tamili. Brother, if you don't know listen to music or tune so emotional, brother, and for sometimes calm down.
Brother, stop talking foolish before we have a sing one song to all Masicka answer about climax party.
Well, I know my
you just contradict
relax yourself,
yourself.
My brother, let me talk the brethren. Let me learn and can't talk the brethren. I just talk foolishness. Foolishness not talk. I can prove my point.
I emotionally I get emotional.
Yo, make him talk. Make him finish.
Me not get emotional. Me I try to tell
make him
finish, man.
If me say Mr. Gaza, you talk like a Shibada. I know Shibada me this. You me this.
Hold on, KJ. Fully. You need to mute your mic, bro. Cause you drive and it's on loud in the background, yeah? Yeah. Go on, KJ. Go on.
So, the point what me there try to make is when me hear Mr. Gaza and the brother they were talking at the background, I say, yo, him not this Tamili in a 2 songs. He did this Tamili. He was this in Tamili in that song what I'm talking about. The point what me I try to go to now is say system. He dropped that yes as a second track, but it wasn't directed at Tamili. It was basically directed as Cartel, as everybody know. Everybody where talk and I try to gamble and argue and say, oh, why am I drop 2 song and why am I this? The point is, brother, the tune was not for Tamili, it was for Cartel. He already this Tamili already.
Yo,
with the tune before that.
We probably ever see the clash at end. We probably ever see the kind of clash where you drop about 2, 3 songs about. Man, be foolish. We don't stop moving goalposts.
Hold on,
you. Damn goalposts, brother, man.
Hold on, my G. All right, you want me to kill that right now? I prove to you, say you don't have no sense. How much you know how much time Cartel have 2 tunes on already, brother? And him at this.
Listen, I'm not talk about that.
No. Hold on, no. I'm trying to
talk about why they need for you to sing one song to Cartel when you have to answer clown. What you talk about?
All right, since you want to start, you want to talk about the war. All right, did Tamili
so that we talk about all of that?
Me ask me a question. Me answer him, man. Me I said to you, you said that him not answer clown. Cause that's not no problem. When I say him not answer clown. Tamili never answer tears. Tamili jump up tears and go dirt there with nothing really account. He mentioned must be 1 or maybe a line and a half. He never answer nothing.
Thank
so
you,
if
General.
let me land. if you not say Tommy Lee skip the line, Masicka skip the line, Tommy Lee skip the line. So uno go want to focus because uno no rate Masicka, I no hate the youth. So uno will go find the fault in a Masicka, but uno no find no fault in a Tommy Lee. Tommy Lee skip the line with Dirt there. If uno listen back Dirt there, since uno listen to music, he did not counteract nothing in that tears. And secondly,
Fully got you. Fully.
Let me say this. Let me say this. Listen, this now. Let me just say this last sentence. A 3 song Tommy Lee do and 3 of them miss. Remember the man drop Death Row and Death Row shut up the road. So me no know how some man attack. Uno not talk about the last 2 songs them where Tommy Lee dropped before this one today. Or yes, last night, and he still miss. So uno even bias to know say yo Tommy Lee still a struggle in the war. Uno a fool, Beji. What I talk about?
Miss according to who? Miss according to you.
Where you there in the street? Where you there in the street?
It's a big miss in our war, bro.
It's a
like who's for the really day I can sit down and say Evil Rise is a bad song in our war.
Really still you have to talk about who missing a war when time the man knock answer cloud corner and go sing board system.
But man, watch out, you miss the dog point, you know. The dog I show you from dog. The dog I show you say from the get-go, from Tears, Tommy Lee been a jump it and Tommy Lee been a involved other man in the war. I do on your an alkaline, bro.
Who first call the war?
Bro, remember
so when Masicka
I'm Masicka first involved man in the war, brother. I'm Masicka first
so when Masicka talk
about you don't love
bro.
I am first call 6 name in the war, brother.
Bro. But
I am here saying that Bobby and 6 still I want to say. What you talk about?
Jesus.
And he mentioned Bounty Killer. He mentioned Bounty Killer. Like he want the man this Bounty Killer. He mentioned Bounty Killer. In the first
which
song.
one is 6 artists the man I talk about?
In the first
you say you run Moby, but the man make you know say 6 run the ground. Not you. This man and this brother. The man not involved nobody in the war.
Yeah, because he want the man. Because he want Tommy Lee. He want Tommy Lee this the 6 them. He want Tommy Lee this the 6 them so the 6 them can depend on
yeah, what's your father?
When you think on a bomber class slicker than nobody.
Tommy Lee make you know say a Sparta run Moby and the dog make you know say bro him circle the black and a 6 compound. I don't grade the man. I don't grade your badness, brother. He man never try draw squashing at the war, you know. So
what him call Bounty Killer? What him call Bounty Killer name for?
Bro, the man make you know say you're not bad car. Bounty Killer take you off a stage, bro. The man make up nothing, you know, bro. This is facts. When Tommy come talk about you're afraid for the brother boss, so the fuck you talk about? Masicka used to this alkaline, he never used to answer. So that even valid, bro. The two of them.
One because thing left him. All right, Vanny, got you, me G. Vanny, got you. Look a gap in I talking. Got you, me G.
Yo, I might turn no.
Yeah, got you.
Yo, yeah, man. Yeah. Wow, going, brother. Bless up yourself. Man, them pan the pan. Bless up.
Big up, G. I have it every time, man.
Yo, so I want going now. Let me know.
Yeah. Got you, man. You been listening, you know. You say, you know, I go out of it.
Yo. Yo, bro. We just want to forward and make our points still, dog. I don't know if I got track off the points with the brother they might talk about. I just want to forward and make a point.
Yeah, man, make your one point.
You see, in this year war, yeah, dog, I noticed something. In this year war, you have one person I get something for the fans, and one person I look something from the fans them.
Explain.
So, all right. You see, Tommy, you know, that from Tommy forward out of the war, you know, a two be things the man I give away, you know. The man not only I listen to the fans them and him put the way I get from the fans in him song them, dog. Mm-hmm. But not only that, man is going the extra effort and I write down him all of him lyrics them in his song them in a description, dog. Mm-hmm. I put more effort and work in a war for the fans them, dog. And the thing with Masicka is like him ears them not dep on the ground, dog. It's like he's on a higher level, you know. Him feel like him dep on a higher level. So yo, me not offer work. I'm a craft for the fans them, dog. Una can go. Me not offer reply to nothing, dog. Me not offer see what the fans them I say. That's on my thing I said. Me not have to worry about Tommy I say, yo, dog. At that I go on, at that one I say, well on there. All right, let me change up my thing now. All right, see ya. Sit dirty there, yeah, clarity, yeah. When I listen, when I listening, there I know. Not one lyric right down for Masicka song them, dog. The man them, yo, bro, the man is not doing nothing for the fans, dog. He's not doing nothing but be a talking, be a bumble clock chatting the man is doing. Wanna now listen, come like, wanna now pay attention to the war, dog. I from the beginning. Me not care what nobody wants, say, dog. In this year warrior, Tommy, I listen to the fans them. And I put in for the fans them, dog. All what uno want say guzo, dog. The man them are putting in work, brother. Make sure say, yo, him not that too far from the fans them for listening and put the where the fans them are in him song them, dog. I haven't seen Masicka yet use any wordplay, anything out of licky and blicky. Dog, the man not even mention a bumbuckler AR-15 and going out explain the thing for you, dog. Man a talk about licky and blicky. Yo, what is some man, dog? Yo. I don't feel like this is a joking thing in a brother. We say, yo, them artists are not normal, bro. This is not a normal thing for Masicka, dog. Them can't stand on him one, brother.
All right, hold on. Let me hear from 876. Got you, G. 876.
All right.
Got you, G. Yeah, wait. You have to unmute though. Can you mute? 876. If you watch it live, don't watch it live, yeah?
Me can go on if you're not ready.
Yeah. Go on, Max.
I agree with what that guy said to some degree in terms of the fans want something and Masicka is not giving them what they want in terms of try circumvent the whole, because it's like him want to say, you hear when he say Tamili song, that note, him no want for you song them and counter, him no want in a long protracted war with Tamili. And in that regard, me agree. I'm a Masicka fan. So me give him that part. Me go retract and go.
876. Got you, number G. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right, got you, number fam. What you say?
Me man tell who a lead and who a lead. I brother, when people didn't talk about the most funny shit, I'm a fair lead, brother.
Oh? What you say?
I'm majority. I'm majority talk. So if you must say who a lead, I would have to Tamil a lead. Everybody has a Tamil lead, brother.
Yeah.
Everybody has a Tamil,
bro. Them live in a different world, man. You have to
don't know who knows a Tamil lead, brother. So you can't go against it and say, oh, Masicka lead. Everybody has say, yo, any poll up on any channel, straight coming.
Brother, it's not even that. I said the thing is a fucking landslide for Masicka, dog. Everywhere you go, it no matter if it's music, it no matter if it's media, the brother get beat now, mad dog. We are conking, you know.
Alright, hold on.
You can't grow that, my G. Can't grow that.
Alright, hold on.
The man's happy, blicky.
Yo, when I hear me?
Hey,
yeah. Yeah. Alright, hold on there. So the last time one demigod fouled on the stream, then beat him. Demigod, got you.
Everything I gonna make sense soon. Take about yo, them and them I deal with it. Yo, I'm telling you, know. You not hear me?
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Man, them not hear me. Oh.
Yeah, man, we're here, bro.
Me telling you, say last time, say Masicka did get him made back licky, you know, and see it there. Tamili do it again. Bro, everything what me come say, Tamili come say back in a system, dog. Man, a dog. Me just glad everybody there have to see it, you see it. But every man in a show, one thing. Yeah, I'm glad the man them there, bro. Me say, yo, me a profit, you know. Watch your style.
You go too far now. You go too far now, brother.
Masicka fans, bro. Man them deal, bro. Me hear a man come on. Me hear a man come on. Man a ball dog. A man can ball some side dog. Yo, John, okay, man, me not to take up too long in that car. But just yo, wanna listen to Devin the Doctor 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍?
Yeah, we listen to that, man, but we not do that yet, man.
Wanna listen
This
that tune there? Wanna listen 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐼𝐎𝐍 from
yeah,
Devin
man.
Doctor?
Yeah, man.
Dog, that song there one of
Yeah.
the toughest song out and clashing up, bro. The youth they now
No, man,
get the
different clash that,
insight,
man.
dog.
Different clash
All
that,
right,
man.
but gamer.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right, but gamer, me know you know that's about all them one cartel for run out and answer Masicka and Masicka now answer Devin the Doctor.
One question.
Because watch out. Devin the Doctor is closer to Masicka than
Brother,
Masicka is
wait no
close to
man.
cartel.
Before we reach over there, so can remember, you know, a family Masicka we focus there. Before we
So all
reach
the man
over
them a
there,
bring
so dog.
cartel there.
Cause we soon get in the sub war them war go on. Cause them boy they no normal need them, not lie.
All right.
Me have one question.
Yeah, man.
For the panel. One say the war over or the war should continue?
I have to continue, man.
If we continue.
I have to continue, man.
Yeah, man, it's the
Vanny,
continue.
Alright.
Vanny, the person who listen to something loud, not the black, please. I think Mr. Mr. Gaza. Oh, are you not Vanny? Vanny, are you, man? If you know better, you know.
Nah, you know, I drop out, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Up top, black, I got you, Michi.
Yeah, so what we are saying now?
You know what I say, man. You be not here what I say. What you say? Why you say?
Why me there, you know? Me just go and say, yo. How many he win the war still, but
So the war done? We
the
say the
war
war
done.
done then?
The war done to Ross Clad. The war should have continue, you know. It should have continue. But you know them the man they stay already. The man they too bossy and the man they too hype.
Who you attack? Them man there. So the artist name the man. Who is them man there?
Alright. Me attack Sika now. Cause Masicka go on like say enough for go and listen to the people them and fi do what is right and make the right kind of music for fans them for year, but in I war thing though it like can get coward. Cause me I wonder in get coward in I war. Cause me's a Sika fan, you know. Hold on there. Me's a Sika fan, you know, but when me I go and listen to a war tune them, it's just sound like it too basic for me, bro. It's just sound like one original song. Cause you see Tears, the second one, it sound
Property
basic to me. It sound basic. And Tamil is one them when him a drop theme one them, yo.
What do you think about Death Row though? What do you think about Death Row?
Death Row, a bad song. Yo, me I listen to it every day, but I repeat to Pussy Clad. When I got work, but I repeat that song here, I repeat, man. Death Row, a bad song, man. But with that show now, it take too long for drop that show. It's like him run out a tune. Fan him drop the first one, VN him run out of lyrics, man. You can see Sika run out of lyrics in that for a war. So why should I continue still? Like me did I say for the other day, say then the man they should have just do it past stage, but then the days they're done with long time. So
all right.
big up yourself.
You know, done with it.
Maccabee,
unmute again. Stage.
Maccabee, got you.
Tamili we don't kill him on stage, man.
Yeah, did it.
Like that, man. Isn't it? Blessings to the ones and ones, you know, isn't it?
Yeah, man. You sound far though. You sound far from the microphone. Yeah.
Right, hold on. Let me plug out your piece.
Yeah, do that. Yeah, man.
Yeah, you hear me now?
Yeah, much better.
Yeah, man. I say, look, man. Well, when I say still, we have to remember say this is a sports and this is dancer. You have countless of opinions, which the opinions gonna sway based on who you like. But moving forward now, with the neutral ones, them now, if you go up on the internet, you see the neutral people, them, I make them comment. The big man, them, the big people, them, like, we're not talking about, dancehall is for everybody. But we're not talking about the elder people, them, who who view this thing are not really top 100%. And based on what they're saying, we're gonna judge it. We're gonna judge it most of what they're saying because they're mostly neutral along with the numbers. And the numbers clearly saying that Tamale is leading. However, look at this, who's the other artist even before Clash? Or even within the Clash, who's the other artist? Masicka, right? He's the one who's doing shows right now outside of Jamaica. He's the one who said it's. So now, why is it that the numbers doesn't prove that he's a man right now? And why is it that when the Clash is taking place, it's still taking place at the moment, shoot as me enough man them in I chat say, all right, me and a man of war, I point my gun pan him and shoot off him in a film territory. But one other territory on the left hand side, when I'm not up with the door at the moment, so I go and looking at so a bush shot over there, so basically. When I turn a gun over there, so a bush shot over there, so I did already because your gun you're not the point elsewhere. Why other man a shoot for you? Why you spend all a half hour, 3/4 of a song as people say, 1 3/4 of a song, I point the gun over elsewhere while I get shot up. That don't make no sense. If you go job a man 2 times in a song, you job him 2 times in a song, but you can't. People go say, well, you should have listen, but guess what?
I like your reasoning.
Me hear other big people say, yo, them lose up a Masicka based on how he approach the war. Because him approach the war like somebody who was basically afraid. You know when time, as me say, when time you basically lose, as many hear enough people say, and I share the same opinion, not that I'm following anyone's opinion. It's a losing tactics where say, all right, boy, say everybody make crooks and get sweep and this and that are going and it cloth up and running because if you check the statistics, the 2 best songs in the Clash is from Tamale and the data is also saying that the 2 worst songs is from Tamale. And really and truly, we can't really go around that because the listeners gravitate to what they like more of which songs. They can check the numbers them. Tamale would have one few, Masicka have 3, 4, and Tamale have 5 again, and Masicka have 6, and then Tamale have 7 and 8. So basically, when a family everything together up on a mountain, the statistics, Tamale is leading by a couple percentage based on statistics. However, based on opinion go there all over the place. Because no man now go and come in so I know say when they go up on the corner with them bridging, I demand the fire and the gimmicks. So they go try to build up by themselves in a conversation. But however, all the winnings is aiming to Tamale side. Facts is here to prove, the statistics is there to prove, and also the viral moments in the songs are there to prove. Who get the biggest viral moments in their songs?
Then this is what we're speaking about.
All right. Well, me not telling you though. Masicka cannot show what in a soup pot. When time him just make a focus shift once people are pressure him, which no pressure now going on film side. So what's going on here now? Is everything is just opinionated, but technically, basically, who get clown out on him physical birthday and who get clown out on the day when time them have a show going on. All the moments now erase, at one moment people in this the boss, in this cartel, that's just a clout moment to talk about. But there's no another shooting down the man we are worried. You give him time to turn up you go reload the film gun while empty your clip over there. So who lose and who win? Up until Crown Clown, after Crown Clown, me nobody expects Masicka was gonna find a tactic to keep himself really in a war. Honestly, I thought. Well, tell you what, he had to do what he had to do. No, but I'm still surprised that he used it and it was so effective. Because he could have used that tactic and nobody knows about it. However, the reason why we still have the conversation is that it still have a relevance now. So, okay. Question to you though. Question to the tactic that he used. Is it working against him where dancehall big guns is concerned? For example, the tactics only used to create a controversy and to create like a confusion, so to speak. But it doesn't create any damage. What damages did it create? What damage did it create? Did it actually write off Tamale? Because people as Tamale lose that song.
Brother, you're pretty war good. You're pretty war good, brother.
Yeah, man. Come and watch it. I'm gonna say, yo, people, everybody have their own opinion because of likings and because of feelings. Feelings are something emotion changing. Because remember, you can love somebody today and you hate him tomorrow. So you go, you can joke your woman tonight and you kick off right away. You're not kick off right away. So you go. Everything are feelings, my G. But I tell the facts, though. That's what I'm trying to say.
You asked if you create a damage.
As me I say,
What damage does it create? What damage does song create though?
Dog,
well,
you know what me feel like? Me feel
nobody
like
ask
some
me
of
the
them
question. Well,
fans.
me answer the question, me Max, me no. Me answer the question, Max, me no.
Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Him use that song to condition the mind of the listeners, a good amount of the listeners come again and then use that through. So even though it itself will do damage, the way we condition the narrative, then it was very impactful. And then he come back with the last song, whatever the last song we dropped name.
Death Row.
Right. So he knew. The narrative was totally drifting away from him, and he used that song there to reframe the thing, and then he comes up and so even though
it still not give him the buzz him really want because it not really push him no further. Right now, it make people talk about him bad.
Hold on, Monday. Let me have a question for you from Prince King. Prince King, big up for the 10. Him say Masicka dead from him kill the format of the clash. Can't respect that. One Sparta. What wanna say?
General, something quick on first.
Yeah, a little bit. Go ahead, though. Go ahead, my general.
Alright, yeah, man. So, me just want to come up here. I work with the partner, so me just want to come up here for just clear up something, bro. I don't know if I'm me alone realize.
Yeah, break up. Dog, yeah, break up.
You hear me?
Yeah.
So, I don't know if I'm me alone realize what exactly take place in our war and thing. People are trying to push a narrative to say Masicka did a try to take cartel crown, but Masicka never yet try or say you want to be the king of dancehall. Let me tell you something, bro. I say people, you know hear me though?
Yeah, man. Talk man, I hear, man.
Alright, yeah, man. So I say, as the people, bro, they will inevitably try to hold it down to their systematic standards, dog. But you have to remember, bro, Masicka say every black man a king and every woman a queen. Therefore, everybody should just try to be a leader and remain unapologetic to them true self, bro. And that Gaza people not like. That's it.
All right. Well, that no, man. Let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question, brother. So when Masicka dep on live with Beanie Man and an interviewer, interviewer take a question from the comment section and say, yo, all right, so when you are go war with Alkaline, and Beanie Man step in and answer that fight, and him tell the interviewer, say, yo, you know, she said the king attack. You know, if he step through when the king make a move, you know. So when him said that now, why him never rush Beanie for kingship? Yo, una for need for go build a crown for your artist, dog. Una need for build a crown for your artist. And go and make him build a legacy, dog. Una need for go build a legacy for your artist, dog. And stop with this. Oh, he said all kings are kings and all queens are all queens. Brother, he man tell me, say, yo, he man the king of dancehall. No, come on, some boy I know, dog. And him a tell we say he's the GOAT, bro. Him need for proof him word them. You cannot cry, bagger, wolf. And the wolf not there. Pussy, you tell we say you are the GOAT. You are carry this. Your fans them a tell we say if Anna you dance or not make it. So prove and a word them, the man. Right now, wanna feel like say, after this, you feel like say, wanna feel like say your artists are gonna move like your body. Like say after everything, I'm gonna drop off the face of the planet. Nobody now worry about him, brother.
All right. Okay, all right. So, sorry about that, Maji. All right, we have some burning questions and some burning issues right now. Okay, all right. Let's say Cartel is not in the space of dancehall right now. Just who to tell where that he's in his quiet area, just doing his thing and enjoying life. All right, and dancehall space, in a dancehall space right now. All right, Masicka king of dancehall. What does he represent being the king of dancehall and the GOAT right now? What weight in carry? We say as a king and a GOAT, a leading genre, one direction where genre go grow. Somebody can explain that to me more over on Crux fans also. Because I'm a neutral person, in I thinking about me have to shoot and thing. So I have to just as if it does level it up. My question, what we think Kerry can say, all right, because we're not king in my G, you dominate the space in such a way that's me know one man say president says it's you only get two out of four, for example. Because it's just like what do you call it's basically the songs that run in the ground or songs that me not to put crossover that, but songs that play in the diaspora it have to play every party because that song that top song. How many of these songs that came out in 2025 we can say have to play on party?
All right, hold on. You ask a question. Madam answer your question now. You ask a question. Anybody want to answer?
So how many hit song?
That you release in 2025 can say, yeah man, any party you pull up, if you don't play a song at party now go really to have that buzz there.
Yeah,
you say,
yeah.
Let me answer a question.
One sec. The man them we done say what them I say already if we can jump on because other people are trying to join and the room full, yeah?
I jump off.
Yeah, go through still. Ask a question, Maji.
Remember when little baby was going through his run, bro, and he might go up on Woolly Pa Press Dog when him which album that? When the
say again? When him do what?
The album the dog when him go up on a Woolly Pa Press Run dog and invest it everywhere. You can't go far and you know say little baby.
Oh, me not really fuck with the hip hop like that, so me not gonna reach all of them.
I try say. You see that press run there? That is what is called having a place unlocked. When you can't go far and you not see that brother in your name. You see when dog, everywhere you go, little baby this, little baby when him album did I release, dog. That is what you call the places unlocked. When you can't go far and you can't stop see the man face, dog. Everywhere you go. When him stop the press run, dog, him drop out of the race. Nobody now see him face again.
But that can also mean what if a money spent for promotion though.
Even still, even if our money I spend, bro, you have to get the connect there, forget that money for spend, brother. I try tell them. You have to get that connection there for have them money they are spend, dog. Cause if you not have no ratings in the brother, nobody no want to do business with you, you know. If you have no ratings, nobody no one want to do business with you. If you have your name bad up in a media, nobody no want to do no business with you, dog. So that me I try to say when people have the place pan locked, you gotta see it everywhere, dog. You gotta see it everywhere. Masicka never have the place pan locked like that yet.
All right, Vanny, hold on there. Bad, pick up you're there about your jumper. Respect for the super chat. Him say they can't answer that question. It's too technical for them. Too much emotions with these men. People just hate Cartel, and Masicka also hate the man. That's how bad just say. In there. Big up yourself with that, Maji. Hold on there. Inga there for about an hour now. Inga, where you say, where you quiet in from?
Yeah. I'm there at Toronto, man. Big up yourself, game.
Oh, Maji.
That warrior just expose the system. That may I see another warrior. You see, the warrior expose the system because Tamili a war Masicka because him a defend.
Just read the topic. Just go listen to hear it, man. Just go listen to hear the topic.
Him a defend him done. And Masicka usually a war Alka. Because what? Because him a defend who? No Cartel. Alright then. Watch this now. Cartel come from jail. Cartel no want war nobody. See? Cartel I say Masicka Alkaline to war. See? But everybody knows that Cartel and Alka have unfinished business. See? Masicka talk about man talk to him so convincing and all them something. Why him talk to you so convincing about? See? This is the system, you know. Let's say Cartel want Masicka figure war Alka, see? Masicka knows say if him war Alka, him can lose something. But him a look on Cartel as being done and I say, so what make you no go war Alka? You get what me I say? He must say, what make you no go war Alka? You see, so now, and the next thing too, he exposed the Masicka bad mind to him. In bad mind Alka and in bad mind Cartel. He want people to talk about him, just talk about him like how people are talk about Cartel and Alka. You see, he's a man who seek attention. You see, and the next thing, he must cut Fame brand from Gaza. Because everybody has said Fame fans, them are Gaza fans.
And a lie. And a lie still.
So now he must say Gaza sinking.
Gaza ship sinking, him say.
Yeah, because him have to cut Fame brand from Gaza. Because Fame thing is connected to Gaza. You see me I say?
Hey.
And the system are exposed say, man have a war for man. You see me I say?
All right, hold on there. RC Cohen, big up yourself, G. Long time there in and out. Where did him?
So that's my take on it. You see?
Big up in God, big up yourself, G, man. Cohen, go through, G.
There, man. Big up everybody on your live, isn't it?
G, up.
Yeah, man. I hear them attack still, but bro, you know, say from when me I try join, game, from when them do that talk about like me hear them just say about where Cartel add to, and when them a say Masicka talk about 6 compound when he circle mobile. You see me? More people realize, I remember say, bro, Tamale they run flank and mobile. Back bush, I wish part Tamale then can't go, and mobile wish part 6 then control. So in a war when the man them chat something, the man them chat some serious thing attack, brother. Who don't know what go on might just feel like a lyrics, but are literally real thing.
Yeah.
You see me? But they still a go and listen to them, bro. Me a Masicka fan now. Me everything what go on now war.
No,
Me just a listen to everybody.
but watch out,
Everybody
bad
have
man.
them
But watch out, nobody now say the 6 them not carry no weight in a mobile. Remember, him not say. You see, if Masicka did say him circle flanker and a 6 run over there, a different thing that, but him say him circle mobile. So him basically that try, that are the whole place.
Yeah.
You see me? Him circle mobile and a 6 running place. That him man say.
Yeah.
You see me? And first of all, that was a craft. Him just want Tommy Lee for the 6, so the 6 can dip on Fame side. A craft him a use. So when him come a ball now, but man a call other man name for strength in a war and then thing, and Tommy Lee come show you say pussy. I call him a name because me a show you say me can diss him. And you afraid for diss him. And on a strength me a look. Him call up bounty killer name because him want Tommy Lee this bounty killer because him know Tommy this bounty killer already. So him want the man this bounty killer again so him can get the whole alliance on Fame side. To be a craft him a use, be a help him a beg for. And the war start him a beg help. But when Tommy Lee call other name now, him a talk about man a beg help. Beg help from what? From for what? What kind of help? I him alone a pull craft and a beg help from the clash start. As we start going on the clash, when we start going on, him start more and more pause.
Yeah, break up, bro.
And when him can't,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I say as we are going on in the war now, him start get more and more exposed. You see me? And can't find the lyrics with Tamale, him run out of lyrics, him repeat the same thing them over and over. So now, because he can't find the lyrics, all right, me call Cartel name. Because Cartel name are the biggest thing that can give me a buzz. You see me? So then when I call Cartel name now and try style him and bring him down, me can draw some of my fans them from my side. I beg for help from the war start, bro. So no bother with that.
All right, hold on there. I'm bringing some. Hold on there. Prezi, did he talk already, G? President.
Next thing. Masicka now war Alka. Because the man never tell him, Vibes Cartel I tell him say him figure war Alka. But Masicka now give Vibes Cartel what he want.
Because
Because Masicka knows say if him go war Alka, him can lose something. You see, and no matter what, Cartel still gonna be Cartel. You see me as and Alka still gonna be Alka. and him can lose him career because look how much people I don't really lose career, you know. I just
Yo.
your career can
This is one
slow
logic
down.
that unfinished business cartel have
You
with
see, your
Alka.
career can slow down.
This
And
stupid
him
narrative
career is
Masicka
done at
shows
a
the world and is
good
a bad
pace right
mind.
and also
Masicka just want
him
war
not
with
gonna do that.
Sparta clash is not
So
about
all
lyrics
him then
only.
I war him avoid certain things in I war and no with this a thing when it come with system.
Bad respect.
It's like you're a man in a problem and then you're the man stop your brethren stop deal and then he start spread the whole of your like some
All right,
going on
watch out.
with them they think.
Yo, gamer.
Yeah, what on MG? What on MG? Let me just read out at the super chat here. Bad with the day once again him say reason with more logics. What unfinished business cartel have with Alka? I think a person did say that earlier on. Say him have unfinished business with Alka. Then say this stupid narrative Masicka shows the world he's a bad man. Sicka just can't worry. Sparta clash is not about lyrics only. I big up myself, G, for that. One more super chat. Spice Jedi there earlier on. Again, this old Gaza fan club gonna mess up dancehall. They act like a cult to Ras class.
Yo, gamer.
Yeah, G, me I hear.
What go on now?
No, I'm there, I'm a fam. Got you.
Yo, boy, too much moving piece, dog. Me I hear all different type of things, dog. Everybody I bring the conversation to a different angle, dog. Cause I hear man attack. First of all, big up everyone in the chat. You don't know each and every day. You see me? But hear me as a gamer. Sometimes you as a you have to go jump in sometime and change certain topic in the dark. You understand? Say me not know if any man in that chat is from flanker, dog. You see me as a me don't know it for sure. But brother, you see if you're not from a place, dog, you can't come on the live and talk about who are run place and who are run what, brother, because you don't know for your facts, dog. You see me I say?
Yeah,
same way like how Masicka might. At the end of the day, these guys are artists. They might use craft.
Which chat you want me for forward income change?
No. What I mean is like entire year someone I bring some topics about who run your brother. We don't know nothing about. We don't know who are run your dog, and sometimes I can't put a man in a position. Like me, your brother say, yo, a craft Masicka did I use when him talk about a 6 compound. Remember saying that, dog, this is art of war, but for your man to come by us and say, yo, a family run funk, brother, we don't know them type of thing, dog. And by you saying that you can stir some things up. You see me I say?
That's not true.
You see me I say? So sometimes, dog, we need to understand what we are saying on the live, dog.
Keep it musically, yeah?
And keep it musically, dog. You see me
Yeah,
I
man,
say?
we get that.
Furthermore,
no, but watch out. We're real quick. I don't want to cut you. Very good point. But watch out now. Tommy Lee said it in a theme song. The man say, flanker my play, show me the boy if he make me run out of this. Like you remember him come say it himself. You see me? I understand what you're saying. It can stir up things and cause problems.
No, but Gaza, all right. When I say a year place, him still never say him a run the place. Him say a theme place. So him still not forward on the media come admit that.
What me I try to tell us right now, brother?
I understand where I come from. Good point. All right, got you.
Brother, what me I try to tell us right now, dog? Zane, you see the flank attack, when you hear them bring Tamily in a flanker thing that remember Tamily don't companions and say, yo, me know they are flanker, me don't know I'm gonna flanker, dog. So when you bring certain topics to the media, dog, and then me hear Josh call up, yo, some serious thing I go the man mentioning the brother.
Musically. Let's go back to musically.
Yeah. So let's just keep it on that, dog. You see me I say? Let's keep it on that,
listening, brother. See tak nama dash enough man from within. See tak nama listen, bro.
You know say how I go on, brother. As a data fan, dog. The whole thing with the crown thing now, dog. Me understand say. You know say me not gonna be like since Cartel come from prison, dog. It's really evident and factual say yo the dog move dancehall from a standpoint to like, on a bigger level. You see me I say? So I understand and agree with the man when I say, yo, this whole crown thing, the man them shouldn't even have war over who are crown and who are what, brother. Because again, Cartel now want a whole different genre by himself. And quite frankly, me not think Masicka was as him need he want to be a crown. Because remember, if I look on the man last, what album was part he have the hand them in a ear grab fee crown.
That's 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓. Generation of Kings.
Yes, brother. Remember, it's the generation of kings to the dog. So I don't like say boy the dog say, yo, there can be only one king. That's the only problem you have with this whole crown thing, brother. All right, gamer, if you come from media and say, boy, you is not the baddest vlogger in our history. Nobody can tell that if you believe in yourself and say, yo, you is the king of vlogging, brother. Our content creator.
That's within your own rights, brother. If you believe in yourself, I know, so yo, that's your status, that's your heights of reaching, brother. If a man don't want to measure himself to that's the man problem. Masicka, I don't think Masicka say, yo, he want cartel crown.
No, but watch out now. Game I can say him are the baddest.
Check your
Flag
channel,
up.
me do it already. Check the channel on the live, me do it already, me G. Not
No,
you, not
watch out
you.
now. Him have every
I
right
just
to
in
say that.
yeah.
Him have every right to say that. But the fans have every right to beat him if them want to. If them feel otherwise, who you gonna tell the fans that them can't say that? If him have the right to say what him want to say, why the fans don't have a right to say what them want to say? So if the fans feel like say a fuckery match chat, why them can't defend it?
That's true. That's logic. Yeah, that's
You see
true.
me?
Hold on there. Frashan, go to me, G, cause I wait my fam. Go to me, bro.
You know, some of them, I got big up everybody, man, you see me?
Open up.
Say from me there, man, me there, listen, bro. You know that 30, man, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Just jump in, but what you know? If he, on face a Masicka, go answer Tommy.
With the system?
Yeah, or before that, on Tommy Lee job, 𝐸𝐻. You did face a Masicka, did have a reply to it.
When they drop which
one? 𝐸𝐻, which one? The last one or the one before the last one, the Tommy job?
The last one, and then system come after it.
But the bad say, as long as Masicka live, he will never surpass cartel greatness in dancehall. And who don't like that, fixing business fee.
What you know? What you know?
Bro,
You see if Tommy Lee did, listen up. You see if Tommy Lee didn't know when to stop, bro. No debate on the pan who win the war, bro. You see me? You see when Masicka try to divert the war and say, oh, a cartel him a shoot off, Tommy Lee should have never released another song and low him in the wilderness. You see me? And then therefore Masicka would have to force to release a song when he put on for Tommy, because Tommy now push out no more song, you see me? And I so
but watch out. If Tommy Lee never answer, you know how the fans them stay. The fans them
no,
you know the fans, brother.
Remember Tommy Lee a lead the war, you know.
Yeah,
Remember,
but you know the fans.
Tommy Lee goes up and drop off I lead.
No, but watch out.
As the fans they say, you know.
But watch out.
Release a weak song.
If him never answer, the same fans them say him lose.
Exactly, brother. You know the internet got to work, brother. You know the internet got to work, brother. And I saw it work, dog. You see me? Because if him drop the last song, and that them all use and beat Tommy Lee, you know, and him drop the last song, and Tommy Lee run because him can't answer.
Bro,
we not talk about it. We not talk about Masicka last song, you know.
Hold on. Make him finish.
But you know, we not talk about the last song, you know, that a death row, you know. We are talk about the song, a system song, you see me? You see if Tommy Lee
but
never...
him drop system and then him drop death row straight after.
No, remember say Tommy Lee drop Good Youth and then death row drop after.
Let me go look for me thing them. So
Yeah,
him drop system, some Masicka drop system.
And then Good Youth drop.
Nah,
and then
man.
death row drop after.
Nah, man. Oh, you go.
Then system.
Yo, you can't tell me, you know, buy me a fan war.
Family answer system.
We know how his song name drop in a order, you know. You see me?
So
Masicka drops drop
system,
drop system.
Yeah.
And then Tommy Lee drop Good Youth. You see me? Then 30 minutes after Masicka drop Death Row, then Tommy Lee drop '𝐸𝐻. I saw that the sequence.
Yeah.
You see me?
But Tommy Lee they done plan for release Good Youth.
Yeah,
He did announce it.
So Masicka
And
catch him.
Masicka come surprise the crowd and drop system
dog.
before Tommy Lee drop him Good Youth. That's why if you listen Good Youth, it not have nothing. It not mention nothing about system. Cause the man they don't have him song plan already. Cause remember it was Tommy Lee turn to release a song.
Yeah. So that man show you say, yo, if Tommy Lee didn't know when to stop, release no song until Masicka run out film ammunition. Because none of them song they no worthy they for answer. I know Masicka fans are saying none of Tommy Lee song they no worthy for answer. So Tommy Lee reach in a Masicka spot.
Bills. Give me a bills and I play them now.
Well, I know two things. One, you remember, sir, I don't say same thing what they in an interview before the whole foolishness. In the interview, I don't know. Him say, yeah, me see my shoot off for me, but he start tell pure lie. And from me see lie, them me not answer him. in pull the same craft with I don't know. So
Good
people are
point.
fighting,
Good point.
and I don't know say no, so I'm not answering because of foolishness that, and that's why I don't know say low him. And then pull the same stunt now for say, oh, the system and them a fight me, and them use that to get the fans them to go up on theme side and style that.
BLI him get up and I tell upon people that the man a try frame cartel right now. If anything happen to me in a life, if anything happen to me at Gaza,
Good night. Big up.
what kind of fussy move that, dog?
Yeah, man. So if you no go upon night,
Bro,
watch
and I'll funny a different way, bro. Man, I make no say if nothing do me a cartel and I go watch them sink. Man, not expose the like say, oh, if cartel do him nothing. I say, yeah. Man, I make no know so I have to watch Gaza sink if nothing do him. You have to watch that. So I like Ryan and them and the rest of them I get them beat.
Tell me how that makes sense. But tell me how that makes sense. If something happened to Masicka,
bro,
if something happened to Masicka in a real life, that will cause Gaza to sink. How?
So hold on there. So hold on.
Bro.
No, a man was a sitting man. A man make a post what they are very valid. Remember, say a long time, a 13-year cartel, they are prison, you know. So what? I just last week, Masicka find out, say, so you go, oh, come him act like a something now. You know, do song with cartel since that. You know, meet the cartel since that.
No, bro.
You know,
One press, mute your mic, one press. It's like a driver or something. Hold on there. Christian, got you, G.
Yeah, good night, everybody.
Up, G, good night.
Yeah, continue with that talk.
Yeah, what me I say now? Yeah, hear me?
Yeah.
Our music we love, you know, and man we love. So me I go just put it away, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
To me, it two artists them a drop good song, bro. Honestly, me can tell you this. When me listen to Masicka System, you see? Me hear a man say a PLI him telling, but what Masicka say in a system, bro, a facts. It's been in the media, it's been out there. I know like I know where I hide or dep on the back burner. So, what man a say in a system cannot be a lie. Number one.
No, bro, but who said that?
No, hold on, let me finish now, bro. Let me finish now.
We can't. We are gonna make you finish, but we can't
correct you.
Hold on,
say the host give me an opening for talk. Let me talk now, bro.
No, but we can't correct him though, bro. If he might chat foolishness, nobody never said
hold on now.
tell lies.
All right, wait now. Let me finish
that.
talk now before you say a foolishness. Me attack from.
Brother, we can correct you, bro. You're
Yeah,
wrong. Nobody never said that.
But hold on, let me finish. Make my point. No bad man. I go on, man. I go on. I really go on. Let me talk now, bro.
Yeah, man. Make him talk first, and then he can say what you say, Make him talk. Go through.
All right, me I show you this. You see, when me realize it, Masicka basically take his music career personal. And me I go tell you from when me realize that. Zine? Remember say when Masicka link with Conscience them, you know, the man come out and the man do a song say, and me say friend, me say loyalty. And the man basically explain say, yo, when the man a go at Idonia, Conscience them did a cheery man. I say, yes man, this Idonia, and then the man them turn around and start link Idonia behind him back. The man say, all right, cut that the link there. Zine? Fine.
Yeah, respect for the super.
After that, right?
Yeah.
The man career a go on. Basically, me know Masicka career been a blast before Infrared. Cause basically people say a cartel making thing boss. Zine? The two of them highlight them one another. Cartel did they behind bars. None of cartel artists them when did have out then they bring the gas up on no forefront. And before cartel come from prison, one artist did bring cartel slogan and a spice. And if me wrong, you tell me say me wrong.
But the man this back, but
100% facts.
But
no, let me finish that now, bro. Well,
you just tell me
finish
to
that. Me
answer.
just ask you say, if me wrong, it's not just a wrong or right question. Zine?
Yeah. You ask a question,
all right. This come out. Me not think all the way this far right now. Me not think all the way I go on for go on. I am a man. Per myself say, oh, I am the GOAT. Me not do nothing for music, but me can tell myself I'm the GOAT. Right? Masicka never come out and say me are the GOAT and cartel is not. Masicka do one song and say, hey, mommy, them call me the GOAT. Why is everybody taking that as an offense? So what? Me can't tell myself say me a king again, and me can't tell myself say me a goat again. Me not
All
supposed
right,
to
watch out now.
motivate
All right,
myself.
watch out,
Address
Christian.
this. We
Watch
just
out,
address that.
If you say a queen. Worst gamer.
Yeah.
Hear me.
Yeah.
You hear Deva the Brat song name Systematic when drop yesterday?
Yeah, man, me done do a reaction to it already earlier on. On the yeah, man. Me do it already. Do the reaction already.
All right. You realize how similar some of the things where him say our Masicka say in a system?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's this off now.
Why your point? Why your point? Come in and understand. Because again, nothing when Masicka mentioned in a
I'm ask more my point, let me answer it. Seeing most of what in a when I talk about new things. Most of what Masicka say in a system are nothing new. In a happen last month, in a happen last year, it been happen. Since Cartel come out in then link up on stage with Cartel. Whether it paid, whether it free, it no matter. So there was linkages after him come out. So all this thing coming up in a system, but him a friend killer, him go to prison for 13 years for that. You not just know about that. So that is something now. That we are talking about. You are play victim in order to get people on your side. If your man just warrior it out, as some me see it.
Okay.
Hold on, me I go tell you why me feel the system became
on top of that,
a
touch, man. Let me say something. On top of that, bro. After some fest, dog. The man them forward out, party and them thing there, a beer drinking and smoking and go on. But friend killer them out. So how you do that? And friend killer them out.
Par with them and drink and sit and then do it over here to a far
Yo, honestly, Masicka and Cartel
remember, yo, I'm not gonna say it again, bro. Them man they dip on live with Beanie Man, and Beanie Man talk, dog. And the man say, yo, you not see the king there, sir? I talk in the same words that you can't push over the king. So, yo, I'm gonna ask it again, dog. Why the man never fucking rush Beanie Man for kingship? I'm gonna say it again. If you come for kingship, dog, you for rush everybody where we say them are king. You hear me, I say?
No, I can't tell we have a problem.
No, but hold on, let me ask you a question. No, let me ask you a question. Because we are talking about the whole
I
kingship.
tell on say, dog, the man say, yo, a Beanie Man a
Who
king,
make
dog.
Cartel step past Beanie Man and
Yeah, the
take
man
up
say,
crown?
wanna listen to when the king talk. The man give Beanie in respect as the king. I just want to say something.
Vanny. So I thought the black one, MG. Lord, look, I can't drive when you in the door.
You say, want to come on the internet and try debate and campaign every night for Masicka name. On Gaza fans, on me talk to. You say we genocide fans.
Man, I'm not Gaza fan. I love music. I'm not Gaza fan. So don't go give me no label. But give me no label for justify what you say. Don't give nobody no label for justify what you say.
I can get the chance to finish my point.
Yeah, you can talk, but just not give nobody no label.
I can't finish my point, my general. No need for you to get emotional about it. I just want to finish my point, bro. Yes, so give me a chance to talk now, brother. You get a chance to talk, I'm for talk now. I just tell you from my genocide fans, we were happy and we're out here to celebrate this. Because you know what? We kill all of the narrative them where uno same Gaza fans that have been a push for.
Yeah, see, uno same Gaza victim.
We're afraid of.
Who name Gaza? Who name
Gaza fan? Brother, you give me a chance to talk?
You talk fuckery.
All right, hold on. Bad say once again, thanks for the 5 minutes. He says stop chat nonsense. Masicka wasn't big at the time of infrared. So, some of you are big hypocrite. Cartel never dropped the bottom even behind bars.
All right, let me say something. Let me say something. Let me just finish up my point.
Oh, really? Yo, that is the big. Yo, I biggest hypocritical statement that me hear.
Yo,
I'm just reading what the man said.
Yo,
yeah.
May I just finish?
Oh, by the way, I want to try to figure out. You see, boss.
The genocide.
Oh, you're sending super chat them for me.
Hold on. You see the part where you type? You're gonna see one money sign down there. So just click on that and you get the instruction, G.
I tell you something as a genocide fan. Right now, every genocide fan with me, happy and pleased, I'm very proud of Masicka. Because you see this war, what this war do for it dispel all our narratives them only that pushing at the streets. Only see them Gaza fans them want to fight Masicka
from a long time. And then now, I come and go on like that, why wanna get this? Because on a been a push this thing in the streets from Masicka said generation of kings, on a been a talk about Masicka call himself king. I don't like him and Gaza fans are gonna stop support Masicka. I say Gaza fans not for listen to Masicka albums. In? So one thing we do, we can't call record again.
Like me and a Gaza fan, I'm gonna ask you a question. Why you answer it? No, I'm
say we're free.
you
I'm finish talking, bad man. I'm just land. Get the platform for talking. No, yeah, I get the platform for talk, bro.
Or you don't want to
no, I answer the question. More finish my point.
Me and a Gaza fan, so say
and then
to me
you
then.
Can talk. I'm finish my point, and then you can go, bro.